Ball mo. Jump ball tayo. Ayun po. Jump ball. Nakuha ng number 5. Pasti. Nakuha number 11. Pasti. 15 seconds shot clock. Foul. Full foul and number 16. Number 15, first personal foul. First team foul. Wala. Bola na. Fifteen seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Wala. Nakuha. Time remaining 5 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 2, 15 seconds shot clock. Bola ng Brown. Time remaining 8 minutes and 48 seconds. 23 seconds shot clock. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Oh, bola ng Brown. Ang score ay 2-0. Lamang. 15 seconds shot clock. Time remaining 17 and 50 seconds. Foul. 2 foul left. Number 16. First personal foul. Third team foul. Wala. Pangalawang 10 seconds shot clock. Tumira, pumasok. Score ay 2. 15 seconds shot clock. Time remaining 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Bola ng Brown. Time remaining 7 minutes. Tumira. Wala. Wala. 15 seconds shot clock. Foul. It's foul red. Number 15. Number 15, second personal foul. Second team foul. Red job. Pangalawang sira. Susunod. Ang score ay 4-2. Lamang ang block. Time remaining 15 and 42 seconds. Seconds shot clock. Ang oras natin ay 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Tumira foul. With foul rate number 13. First personal foul. Second team foul. Para sa plastic. Pangalawang team. Pumasok.
Galaw!
15 seconds shot clock. Sinabi sa malayo. Pumasok. Time remaining 5 minutes and 38 seconds. 16 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Foul. Foul. Number 28. Number 28, first personal foul. Third team foul. Time remaining 5 minutes. Pumasok. Ang score ay 9-8 lamang ang block. Ang oras natin ay 4 minutes and 45 seconds. 10 seconds at block. Tumira wala. 10 seconds at block. Pumasok.
Gila. Baba.
15 seconds shot clock. Wala. 15 seconds shot clock. Pumasok. Ang score 13-8 lamang ang block ng 5. Ang oras natin ay 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Tapos, sa Ang oras natin ay 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Nice pass yun ah. Nakuha niya. Nakaikip. Tumira. 10. Time remaining 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Ang score ay 18-8 lamang ang Black Team. Sinababa ang bola. 15 seconds shot clock. Kakahanan na ba sa 10 seconds shot clock. Oh, offensive foul. Number 11. Timeout. Brown team. Number 11, first personal foul. 13 foul. Time remaining 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Ang score natin ay 18-8 lamang ang Black Team. Bola na. Table. Fourteen seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Pinasa. Wala. Good ball. Bola na Black Team. Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Bola.
Fifteen seconds shot clock. Two passes. Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds. Nakuha niya. Two passes. Ang score ay 23-8 lamang ang Black Team. Fifteen seconds shot clock. Pumasok. Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. Last 1 minute. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 5. 2 foul left. 27. 27 first personal foul. 30 foul. Stop, rep, stop. Pasok. Ang score, 23-10. Time remaining 45 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Nahuli. 10 seconds shot clock. Foul started. Push foul left. Number 27. Number 27. First personal foul. 40 fouls. Both teams. Ang score ay 23-30. Lamang ang itim. 10 seconds shot clock. Wala. Time remaining 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Ang score ay 23-30. Lamang ang black. Ang score natin pala ay 24-12. Lamang ang itim. Back to the ball game. Bola na. Itim. Number 4 left. 16. Number 15. Ako ang number 4.
Oh!
15 seconds shot clock. Pumasok. Ang score ay 26-16. Ay 28-16. Ang score 26-16.
Oy, Kabel! Kabel!
Grabe din yung tawag ko dito.
Wala!
Fifteen seconds shot clock. Fifteen seconds shot clock. 6 seconds shot clock. Or the time remaining 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Score 26-19. Lamang ang team. 15 seconds shot clock. 15, third personal foul, 17 foul. Substitution ref. Number 15, third personal foul. First team foul. Five seconds shot clock. 3, 2, 10 seconds shot clock. 9 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. 3, 2. Foul. Good foul line, number 41. Number 41, first personal foul. Second team foul. Time remaining 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Ang score 27-20. Lamang ang iit. Second shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Fifteen seconds shot clock. Time remaining 6 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Alright, 5 minutes and 43 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Time remaining 5 minutes and 4 seconds. Ang score 29-26. Lamang ang Black Team ng Low. Back to the ball game. Bola po ng Black Team. Ang score ay 29-26. Lamang ang Black ng tatlo.
Oh, let's play! Let's play!
15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock.
Dalawa! Oy!
Tinawag na.
10
seconds shot clock. Ayan na. Time remaining 4 minutes. 15 seconds. Ang score ay 29-28. Isa na lang ang lamak ng team. Foul. Number 7, third. Personal foul. 30 marks. Five remaining 4 minutes. Ang score ay 18-28. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Wala. Jump ball. Ang tawag na natin dito. Number 13, second personal foul. Third team foul. Ang score ay 32-28. Lamang Subway. Ang score ay 32-29. Lamang ang itin ng tatlo. Fifteen seconds shot clock. Puma. Time remaining 3 minutes. Going back. Foul. With foul length. Number 0. Number 0, third personal foul. Third team foul. Wala. Hold the ball direct down. Nilalabas ang ball. Time remaining 2 minutes and 37 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Sige na, wala. Last 2 minutes. 14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. 3, 2, 1. Time remaining 1 minute and 43 seconds. Ang score, 37-29. Lamang ang team. to the ball game.
Kontraktor.
Ilalabas ang bola. Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Foul. He's foul red. Number 72. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. One for penalty. Time remaining 1 minute and 55 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. Last 55 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Tumira. Ang score ay 4-31. Lamang ng 9 ang team. Ang oras po natin ay 35 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Foul. Number 10. Number 10. First personal foul. Fourth team foul.
Ay! Bakit magpatulak?
Ang oras natin ay 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds po. Nakuli. Oh, foul. Number 8. Foul. Penalty. Number 8. First personal foul. Ubasa. Ang score ay 43-32. Lamang ang team. Last 5 seconds. Ang score ay 43-34. Lamang ng 9 ang team.
Individual foul sa black team, number 13, second personal, number 72, first personal, number 16, second personal, number 11, first personal, 8, first personal, 27, first personal, and 41, first personal. Sa GM1RT, number 0, first personal, number 10, first personal, number 15, first personal, number 20, first personal, number 7, first personal, number 27, first personal.
to the ball game. Bola ng Brown. Black. Ano yung bola rin? Bola pala ng Black Team. Lalabas ng bola. Foul. Foul. Number 38. Number 38. Second personal foul. First team foul. Time remaining 9 minutes and 15 seconds. 13 on the line. Ang oras natin ay 8 minutes and 65 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Puma. Ang score. Stop. Wait lang. 15 seconds shot clock. Puma. Wala. Foul. Foul number 47. Time out. Time out, Brown. 27 second personal foul. First team foul. Back to the ball game. Ang oras natin ay 8 minutes and 7 seconds. Score 47-34. Lamang ang team. Foul. Foul, right? Number 10. Number 10. First personal foul, second team foul. Five minutes, 7 minutes and 55 seconds. Two more. 15 seconds shot clock. Wala. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Ang score ay 49-37 laman ng team. So, 15 seconds shot clock. Time remaining 6 minutes. 4 7. Wala. Ang score po natin ay 52-40. Laman ng team pa rin ng doble. Time remaining 6 minutes and 12 seconds. 8 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Wala. Oh. 27 pushing foul. Number 27, third personal foul. Second team foul. Third team foul ng para ang Black Team. Time remaining 5 minutes and 50 seconds. 15 seconds shot. Oh, traffic carrier. Second shot clock. Time remaining 5 minutes. 10 seconds shot clock. Same ball. Six seconds shot clock. Pumasok. Ang score, 54-42. Lamang ang team. Go. Score, 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Umiawal lang. Nahuli. Kuha ko. Oh, sabot. Pumasok. Time remaining 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Ang score ay 54-44. Lamang ng 10 ang team. Good ball. Time out, Black Team. Time out from Black Team. Ang score, 54-44. Labang ang 10 ang team. Time remaining 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Back to the ball. All around Black Team. seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Foul, number 10. Number 10, second personal foul. Second team foul. Outside. Fifteen seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. 3, 2. Fifteen seconds shot clock. Oh, foul. Number 10. Number 10. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Upper foul. Black team ball. Time remaining last 2 minutes. 15 seconds. Double. Ang score ay 54-44. Nakakatapo ang team. 15 seconds shot clock. Wala. 15 seconds shot clock. Siguro nila. Oh. Remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 12 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Wala. Ang oras natin ay 55 seconds. 19 seconds shot clock. Time remaining 40 seconds. Last 40 seconds. Nalaman po. Wala na ang huli pa rin. Nakuha ko lang. Last 30 seconds. Out of time. Ang oras natin ay last 22 seconds. 18, 17, 16. Hindi ako wala. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, pumasok. Ang score ay 58-46 lamang ang Blackfish.
Kaway ka. Kaway. Kaway. Ayan, kaway. Kaway, kaway. Kaway,
Ito, di mamakita eh.
Kaway, kaway.
Asan ba?
Wala na. Ulit na.